Have you noticed how some people reach 80 with sharp minds, strong bodies, and endless energy while others begin falling apart decades earlier? The difference is not luck. It is not genetics alone. And what I am about to share with you today may completely change the way you think about aging, cancer prevention, and the hidden healing power sitting quietly inside your own kitchen. For years, modern medicine taught us that aging means decline, more pills, more fatigue, more doctor visits, more fear. But in Japan, where some of the longest living people on Earth wake up every morning with purpose, clarity, and strength well into their 90s, researchers uncovered something extraordinary. A series of simple morning rituals that appear to switch on the body's natural cancer defenses while repairing the very DNA damaged by stress, inflammation, and aging itself. And here is the shocking part. Most adults over 50 have never heard of them. Today, I am going to walk you through 5 powerful Japanese morning habits that researchers believe may help starve cancer cells, reactivate cellular repair systems, strengthen immunity, and dramatically slow biological aging. These are not expensive treatments. They are not experimental drugs. They are simple daily practices backed by emerging science and centuries of tradition. And stay with me until number 1 because what researchers discovered absolutely stunned me. A 4-minute ritual linked to improved DNA repair, stronger immune defenses, lower inflammation, and a dramatic activation of one of the most powerful anti-aging proteins ever discovered. But before we begin, I want to hear from you. How old are you right now and what health concern worries you the most? Is it cancer, fatigue, memory loss, heart disease, joint pain, low energy? Tell me in the comments below because I read your messages every single day and your stories shape the videos I make for this community. Now let us begin with habit number 5. Number 5 is a simple morning drink that many people in Okinawa have consumed for generations. Not coffee, not sugary juice, white tea with lemon and rice bran. Now most people know about green tea, but very few understand the incredible power of white tea. White tea is the least processed form of the tea plant, which means it retains exceptionally high levels of protective compounds called catechins, especially EGCG. Think of EGCG as your body's internal defense army. Researchers discovered that EGCG may help interrupt the pathways cancer cells use to grow and spread, while also protecting healthy cells from oxidative DNA damage caused by aging. But here is where it gets even more powerful. When you add fresh lemon, your body absorbs dramatically more of these protective compounds. The vitamin C and citrus bioflavonoids act like a delivery system carrying the EGCG deeper into your bloodstream. And the rice bran? That is the hidden secret. Rice bran contains powerful fibers and antioxidants that help support the gut lining, reduce inflammation, and improve immune function. Remember this because after age 60, your gut health becomes directly connected to your cancer risk, inflammation levels, and immune resilience. Here is how to prepare it. Steep 1 teaspoon of white tea for 3 minutes in hot water, not boiling. Add the juice of half a lemon. Stir in half a teaspoon of unfiltered rice bran. Drink it within 20 minutes of waking while exposing your skin to morning sunlight for at least 5 minutes. That morning sunlight helps your body produce vitamin D, which works together with tea polyphenols to strengthen immune defense and cellular repair. Now, if you think that is impressive, wait until you hear number 4 because this next habit directly targets one of the biggest hidden causes of weakness, aging and disease after 60. Muscle loss. Most people believe losing muscle is just a normal part of aging. It is not. After age 65, your body develops something called anabolic resistance. That means your muscles stop responding to protein the way they once did. Even if you eat enough protein, your body struggles to absorb and use it effectively. This leads to weakness, falls, frailty, slower metabolism, and even increased cancer vulnerability. Because your muscles are not just for movement. They are metabolic armor. And the Japanese discovered something extraordinary. Natto. Now I know some of you may already be making a face because natto has a strong smell and sticky texture. But what it does inside the body is remarkable. Natto is fermented soy packed with vitamin K2 nattokinase and highly bioavailable amino acids. Researchers found that people who regularly consume natto had lower rates of cardiovascular disease, stronger bones, and improved longevity. But the most exciting part is this. Fermentation breaks the protein into smaller peptides, making it easier for aging muscles to absorb and use. In other words, it helps older muscles behave younger again. Natto also contains compounds called polyamines, which stimulate autophagy, your body's natural cellular cleanup process. Autophagy is critical because it helps remove damaged proteins, malfunctioning cells, and potentially precancerous material before it becomes dangerous. Think of it like your body taking out decades of biological trash every morning. Try 2 tablespoons with a small bowl of miso soup for even greater probiotic support. And now we arrive at number 3. This next habit targets one of the deepest roots of aging itself, your telomeres. Telomeres are protective caps on your chromosomes. Every time your cells divide, those caps shorten. When they become too short, cells stop functioning properly and inflammation accelerates throughout the body. This is one of the reasons aging speeds up after 70. But researchers studying traditional Japanese fermented foods discovered something fascinating. Amazake, a fermented rice drink rich in compounds that may support telomere health and cellular longevity. When combined with ashwagandha, the effects become even more interesting. Ashwagandha helps lower chronic cortisol levels. Why does this matter? Because chronic stress hormones act like acid on your DNA, slowly accelerating aging, suppressing immunity, and increasing inflammation. The combination of fermented rice compounds and stress reduction creates an environment where your body can focus on repair instead of survival. Warm 1 cup of amazake gently and stir in half a teaspoon of ashwagandha powder. Drink it with breakfast. And here is the secret synergy tip. Add a tiny pinch of black pepper, because black pepper dramatically improves the absorption of many protective plant compounds. Now, before we move into the top 2 habits, take 1 second to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Every week, I share research-based strategies designed to help adults over 50 protect their brain, strengthen their body, and reclaim their energy naturally. You deserve to age with strength, not fear. Now let us continue, because number 2 may explain why so many older adults feel exhausted even after sleeping. Mitochondrial decline. Your mitochondria are the tiny energy factories inside every cell of your body. As you age, they become weaker, slower, and damaged. Less energy means slower healing, weaker immunity, poor brain function, and reduced DNA repair. The Japanese approach to protecting mitochondria combines 2 remarkable practices: forest bathing and ceremonial matcha. Researchers discovered that spending time around trees, especially in the morning, dramatically increases natural killer cell activity. These are the immune cells specifically designed to locate and destroy abnormal or cancerous cells. Even the scent released by certain trees called phytoncides appears to strengthen immune defense. And when combined with ceremonial-grade matcha, the effects become even more powerful. Real ceremonial matcha contains concentrated antioxidants, chlorophyll, and L-theanine, which supports calm focus, mental clarity, and healthy brain aging. But what amazed researchers most is that compounds in matcha appear to improve mitochondrial efficiency, helping aging cells produce energy more effectively. Think about that. More energy for repair, more energy for immunity, more energy for healing. Prepare 1 teaspoon of ceremonial matcha with warm water, not boiling, and enjoy it alongside a small handful of wild blueberries for additional antioxidant support. And now we have arrived at number 1, the most powerful Japanese morning habit for repairing DNA, strengthening immunity, and creating a body environment hostile to cancer growth. And it takes less than 4 minutes. Controlled breathing combined with cold water face immersion. This practice, rooted in the ancient Japanese misogi tradition, activates something extraordinary inside the body: sirtuins. These are anti-aging proteins directly involved in DNA repair, inflammation control, and cellular resilience. Researchers discovered that deep, controlled breathing followed by cold face immersion can dramatically stimulate these protective pathways. Here is why this matters. Cancer cells thrive in stressed, inflamed, oxygen-deprived environments. But deep diaphragmatic breathing improves oxygen delivery throughout the body, while cold water activation stimulates the vagus nerve, lowering inflammation and activating powerful repair mechanisms. The result is a rapid shift from stress mode into healing mode. And this happens within minutes. Here is exactly how to do it. Immediately after waking, before caffeine, before food, before checking your phone, sit comfortably. Breathe in deeply through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold for 4 seconds. Exhale slowly for 6 seconds. Repeat this 12 times. Then fill a bowl or sink with cold water and immerse your face for 30 seconds. That is it. 4 minutes. No pills, no expensive treatments, no complicated equipment. Just your breath, your nervous system, and your body's own ancient healing intelligence. And here is what I need you to understand before we finish today. Your body is not broken simply because you are getting older. Even at 70, even at 80, your body still wants to heal. It still wants to repair damaged DNA, fight inflammation, protect your brain, strengthen your immune system, and preserve your vitality. The problem is most people never give their body the signals it needs to activate those systems. These Japanese morning rituals are powerful because they work with your biology instead of against it. Start with one habit, just one, and practice it consistently for the next 30 days. Because the small things you do every morning quietly shape the future of your health far more than most people realize. And remember this, aging is inevitable, decline is not.